Hello, marketer Assassin here, and today's topic is how to become an affiliate marketer, how to start to become an affiliate marketer, and what do affiliate marketers do. And it's actually very simple to become an affiliate marketer, and it's very free. And you can become an affiliate marketer for any company who has this option and become an affiliate with them, a partner with them, and basically become an affiliate with a big company or big business is basically them letting you or allowing you to license their product, and then um, you can license their product and you sell their products, and for a commission you can promote their products and sell their products for a commission fee. Generate commission. A commission is basically money that they pay you, and you can set up their account plan, how you want them to pay you, and etc. and all that. So and I'll even put down some of the biggest affiliate programs that I personally use, and that are really big out there. So I'll leave some of them down in the link, and I'll put a special preferred um, recommendation down below in the link of what I recommend and prefer for people who really want to make passive income and through affiliate marketing and start really making a lot of money. But if you just want to make just get by the day the free way, if you want to do the free way and make just a little bit of money, make a money to have money in your pocket every day though, then I can definitely show you how you can become an affiliate marketer. Do some of the biggest programs, affiliate programs out there for the businesses out there, the big businesses out there, and you can generate a good source of revenue off that. So we're gonna dive right into this, and how you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well, and I just been doing great. I've been doing a lot of affiliate marketing, a lot of I'm creating a lot of online businesses, a lot of new social medias, and just building and building and building. So that's the goal right there, guys. We're trying to build a business. We're trying to move on. We're thinking long term. We're not thinking fast. We're not trying to be impatient. We're trying to be patient. We're trying to be focused. We're trying to be ready. We're trying to be steady. We're trying to be all that, guys. And we're gonna dive right into this. So affiliate can be very free to join. It can be free to join. See, once you join, promote, and then you earn. You know what I'm saying? So they basically pay you to promote their products. Like I said, some big businesses out there, for instance, like Amazon, they have, or Amazon, they have a big it's a big platform. Everybody's using Amazon. They don't have time to be they even have affiliate program for Amazon where you can become a partner, and you can help Amazon sell their products and help other people sell their products. So in Amazon, they can do some of that though, but they can't. It's just so big, and they need help doing it. So anybody can help them. You can become a partner and register with them, and you can create a website. You can use social media, any social media to help them promote their products. And then when you get people to look at what you're promoting, and you get eyeballs on that, you can drive them straight to Amazon, and you can in it they you generated a click, a lead, or whatever. And then if they buy anything on that in that particular link, and they stay on Amazon, and whatever you refer them to, they don't even have to necessarily buy it. And they'll buy anything, as long as they don't leave Amazon, they go to a different page, you're good. As long as they buy anything from Amazon, you can still get a commission for it. So that's very powerful to know, and a key concept to understand. So there's all kinds of affiliate programs out there, and people have already took advantage of this opportunity, and they've already known about affiliate marketing for quite some time now. So they're making a big income. Some of them making like $1,000 incomes because they understand customer value, and what they need, and how much what they're looking for, and they understand. They know their audience. They're saying, so they understand all of that, and they're experts at that. So they're making like up to like over $1,000 commissions. They're making like them big figures a month every type thing with what they're doing. So definitely you can definitely grow on affiliate marketing, and make passive income on affiliate marketing. and you have to put in the work. This is not no get rich quick. Affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme. It's a long term, and you can definitely make a lot of money. I'm telling you guys, you can definitely make a lot of money if you're consistent. This is the number one thing. This is like the number one word I'm gonna use for this. Consistency is very important when you're doing affiliate marketing. Okay, you can't just take a break for a week and then go back. Okay, all right, now I'm gonna do a video, and then I'm gonna take another break, 2 more days, and then do a video. You can't lollygag. You can't lollygag through this, guys. You have to be serious about this. You can't just fluster your way through this. You have to be dedicated and you have to be committed to this, guys. You have to focus. Your focus game has to be like legit. You have to be like on top of your focus game. You have to be determined. You have to have determination and motivation to do this, guys. And I guarantee you will have um uh you will have results come in. I promise you, through affiliate marketing, man. Why don't you just try doing something like make a video every day? If you want to make a video every day, just make a simple video every day, or just make a video every 2 days, or make a video once a week. You know what I'm saying? Just be consistent. You know what I'm saying? Don't take a break. Don't try not to get in the habit of taking a break too long and too much, because that can get in the way of what you're trying to go, where you're trying to go, and your goals and your ambitions. It can get in the way in all that in anything you do. So definitely stay consistent. Consistency is very important. So affiliate marketing is an awesome way to generate is an awesome way to make money online. Period. Altogether, you know what I'm saying? That's like one of the biggest ways to make money online. That's why I'm so passionate about affiliate marketing and marketing altogether, because there's a lot of money to be made through marketing. And affiliate marketing is like, there's, if you guys didn't even know this, there's all kinds of companies out there that have this program where you can actually become an affiliate, a partner with them. Affiliate is basically another word for partner. So partner marketing, basically join, promote, and then you earn, get some money. And don't you want to if you people quit when they don't see results that they want, and that can cause them to lose money and lose an investment that they made, because they quit and they get so angry. You have to learn to deal with failure, guys. And I know you heard this plenty of times though, but this is like this is how this is how you can become a powerful and influencing an ultimate human being. You can become more than a human. If you don't like being referred to a human, you can become more than a human. You can become exalted marketer, you know and that's all you can be known as. And you know how to you know your stuff, and you know what to do, and you know how to promote, guys. So don't quit when things don't go your way, or if it's not picking up as soon and as fast as you thought it was. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, you're just starting off and you're just a beginner. There are ways you can accelerate this process and actually start earning, but you won't get as much as you thought you was gonna get. You know what I'm saying? You have to put in the work. You gotta put in the time. You gotta put in the effort, and you gotta be consistent with it. You gotta be patient, guys. That's the number one. That's the number one thing. It's key. That's probably the key root to everything is patience. You gotta be patient, because as long as you're on top of your game, and as long as you're doing it, it's gonna come. Like the long term, it'll eventually come. But if you just sit around and just quit and don't do it, it'll never come, right? It'll never happen, because you stopped. So you want to keep doing this. You want to keep pushing, and you want to keep motivating yourself, and also give yourself a break. You don't want to be overly too consistent, because there's a there's a bad way of becoming ultimately too consistent, and you can actually move too fast. You can not move too fast, but you can actually, if you come to you need break, you become too I'm trembling over my words. If you become too consistent with what you're doing, then you're gonna get agitated. You're gonna get bored. You're gonna lose interest, and you want to take a break, guys. You don't want to just. It's very very important and good to be very consistent, but you don't want to be overly consistent. Too much of anything is not good for you, and that's a fact, guys. So you want to have balance, of course, though, but you want to definitely be focused on where you're trying to go and your goals, and how you want to accomplish it. So I'm not gonna spend too much time on this video. It's supposed to be a short video, so like a 5 minute video. So that's basically breaking down the concept of affiliate marketing, and I hope you guys get in to affiliate marketing. You know what I'm saying? I'll be excited for you guys to read into that and get more into it though. But this is I'm just breaking down affiliate marketing. It's just awesome. It's life changing, and it can be a awesome career that you can enjoy. So I hope this video was helpful for you. It better helped you understood the concept of affiliate marketing and marketing altogether. And if you like this video, leave a like down below. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing or just marketing altogether, and other ways promote and advertise and etc. and create an online business, this is the channel for you. Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. And I'll see you guys later. Hope you like it. Bye.